Welcome to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. When should you replace your timing belt? Crucial signs and expert tips. When it comes to your vehicle's maintenance, the timing belt is a critical component that shouldn't be overlooked. Over time, this essential part can wear down, leading to potential engine damage if not replaced promptly. A timing belt replacement is not just a routine task, it's a preventive measure that ensures your engine continues to run smoothly and efficiently. Ignoring the signs of a worn-out timing belt can result in costly repairs and even engine failure. In this video, we will delve into the importance of timing belt replacement, the warning signs to look out for, and the benefits of staying proactive with your vehicle's maintenance. By the end of this video, you'll have a better understanding of why timing belt replacement is crucial and how it can help you avoid unexpected breakdowns on the road. What is a timing belt? Timing belts are critical components in the internal combustion engine of a vehicle, responsible for synchronizing the rotation of the crankshaft and camshaft. This synchronization ensures that the engine's valves open and close at the right times during the engine's operation, optimizing performance and efficiency. Function of a timing belt. The primary function of a timing belt is to maintain the precise timing and coordination between the crankshaft and camshaft. As the engine runs, the timing belt rotates at a specific rate, controlling the opening and closing of the engine valves. This synchronization is crucial for the proper operation of the engine, as any misalignment can result in significant damage to the engine components. Common materials used in timing belts. Timing belts can be made from a variety of materials, each offering different levels of durability and performance. Common materials used in timing belts include rubber and reinforced materials like fiberglass or Kevlar. These materials provide the necessary strength and resistance to heat and friction that timing belts endure during engine operation. Choosing the right material for a timing belt is crucial to ensure the longevity and reliable performance of the engine's components. Signs that your timing belt needs replacement. When it comes to your vehicle's timing belt, being aware of certain signs can help you prevent major engine issues down the road. Here are some key indicators that your timing belt may need replacement. Unusual engine noises. One of the first signs that your timing belt might be wearing out is unusual noises coming from the engine. If you hear a high-pitched whining or screeching sound coming from the front of the engine, it could indicate that the belt is worn or loose. Ignoring these noises could lead to serious engine damage, so it's crucial to have it checked by a professional mechanic. Visible wear and tear. Inspecting the timing belt for any visible signs of wear and tear is another way to determine if it needs replacement. Look for cracks, fraying, or glazing on the belt surface. If you notice any of these issues, it's a clear indication that the timing belt is reaching the end of its lifespan and should be replaced promptly. Engine misfires. Engine misfires, where the engine stutters or jerks during acceleration, could also be a sign of a failing timing belt. The belt plays a crucial role in synchronizing the engine's camshaft and crankshaft movements. If the timing belt is failing, the engine's timing can be thrown off, leading to misfires and performance issues. Being attentive to these signs can save you from the inconvenience and costly repairs that can result from a broken timing belt. Regular inspections and timely replacements are key to ensuring your vehicle's engine runs smoothly and efficiently. Importance of timely replacement. Timely replacement of your vehicle's timing belt is crucial for maintaining the health and performance of your engine. By adhering to the recommended replacement intervals, you can prevent major engine damage and avoid sudden breakdowns, ultimately saving yourself from costly repairs and inconvenience down the road. Preventing major engine damage. The timing belt plays a vital role in the coordination of various components within your engine. Over time, the belt can wear out, leading to misalignment and potential damage to engine parts. If the timing belt were to break while the engine is running, the pistons and valves could collide, causing significant damage that may require a full engine rebuild or replacement. By replacing the timing belt at the manufacturer's recommended intervals, typically every 60,000 to 100,000 miles, you can prevent such catastrophic engine failure and ensure smooth operation. Avoiding sudden breakdowns. A timing belt failure can occur unexpectedly and leave you stranded on the side of the road. Sudden breakdowns due to a broken timing belt can not only be frustrating but also dangerous, especially if they happen in the middle of traffic or during adverse weather conditions. By proactively replacing the timing belt as part of your regular maintenance routine, you can eliminate the risk of a sudden breakdown and drive with confidence knowing that your engine is running smoothly and reliably. Remember, when it comes to timing belt replacement, timely action is key to preserving the longevity and performance of your vehicle. By staying proactive and following the manufacturer's guidelines, you can keep your engine running smoothly and avoid the headaches that come with unexpected breakdowns and costly repairs. We hope you found the information insightful in understanding the warning signs that signal the need for a timing belt replacement. Stay tuned for part 2, where we'll provide expert tips on how to properly replace your timing belt and ensure your engine's continued reliability. Please comment, like, share, and subscribe for more automotive information like this. Thank you for watching.